Okay guys, she said she wants a braid, but the other girl's coming back, I can hear her. So, come on. Okay, she's coming. Okay guys, welcome to part 2. Hou op! Ons speel nie 'n game nie. Sien. Vir die eerste keer. Okay.
Ouma Willa doen steeds my hare.
Okay, so let's leave this part and then let's take out this part.
That's good.
And let's tighten up this part. And then we'll do the side of the little bola thing, so I can curl that side. Okay, so she changed her mind again. She wants a 2 buns with it.
2 ballas. Wiggle, wiggle.
Okay, so I'm gonna do one right now. So
Dit
let's.
dan.
Okay,
Ek het dag gewyd.
so she pulled her tooth out actually, but I'm quickly gonna do this.
It's out.
Because I'm finished with the one, and now I'm gonna do the other one, but I'm first gonna do this curly part.
Itchy.
Okay guys, I must make fast because my phone is on 10%. But Chero for now. Chero. I'm finished with the other one. Now we're gonna take these 2 out. Guys, look at the curl. Guys. Nee, ek het hom net uitgetrek.
Nee. Ou moet gesê sy gaan hom môre afhaal.
Weet jy wat jy eintlik gesê het? Sy sal hom môre aftrek.
Dit gaan erg wees.
Kyk, sal jy reg. Kom ons al hierdie. So goed.
Ek gebruik net die.
Ek gaan vir ouma wys.
Gaan wys geval.
Wat?
Clock it, but I'm still gonna brush it out.
Ouma. Wag.
Kom.
Dit lyk asof my balle.
Ek sal nie klaar nie.
Willa asof my balle.
Guys, the video is almost finished. Okay.
Subscribe and do it with your hair.
Don't ask what I did with the hair now. I was doing something. You guys will know the secret trick when you grow up. Bye guys.